Welcome back to the Fitness with Flex channel, and today I wanted to speak to you guys about how to enjoy the holidays without backtracking your fitness goal. We all know Christmas, other holidays are coming through. We also have New Year, so it's a very tough time to try to keep lean and try to keep track of our fitness goal. But today I'm going to give you guys some tips that hopefully will help you. Now, tip number one is start right now eating clean and also exercising. Believe it or not, from here to the events, you'll probably lose some weight, and worst case scenario, if you guys do go a little bit overboard eating and drinking, you'll probably just break off even. Maybe you'll lose 2 or 3 pounds from here to then. Maybe that day you'll gain 2 or 3 pounds, but the next day you'll probably be the same weight that you are right now, which kind of sounds not too good, but it actually is good because I'd rather weigh the same than gain 5 or 10 pounds. Now, tip number two is body fat doesn't know what day it is, so it doesn't care that it's Christmas, it doesn't care that it's New Year's. It's still going to want to be on your body, it's going to want to form on your body. So you guys have to make sure that on the day of the event, you're still eating as clean as possible and you're still exercising before the event. Some people like to fast that day and just wait for the event, that way they could binge, but that's really the wrong approach. Try to have your meals, try to eat clean, try to exercise, that way you can rev up your metabolism. That way when you guys go to the event, not that much damage is done. Now, tip number three is going to be create yourself a lean plate. By a lean plate, what I mean is try to have 80% of the food be protein and vegetables, and then 20% of the plate could be whatever you want. Maybe it's 5% pasta, 5% rice, 5% potatoes, whatever you would like. And worst case scenario, if you get up for seconds, is not going to be as bad. Protein and vegetables, they kind of give you satiety. You're going to feel kind of full and you're probably not going to overeat. Now, the next tip is don't take home any leftovers. You already did damage that day. You enjoyed yourself. If you take leftovers, that one holiday event could turn into a whole week now of you eating all those bad foods that you probably shouldn't be eating. Keep the leftovers there. If they're pressing you about taking some home, just let them know about your goal. Let them know that you're trying to get leaner, you're trying to be on a diet, and you don't want the food to spoil. Maybe someone else will benefit better from the food. And now the final tip is get back on track immediately right after the event. So once, let's say, Christmas is over, the next day, just get back on track, eat clean, do all your exercises all the way, let's say, until New Year's. Then, okay, that day you have the event again, follow all the rules that I just gave you again. And the day after New Year's, back on track right away. One day of eating bad is not going to do much, but that one day could easily turn into a week, easily turn into a month. If you only cheat once every couple of weeks or whatever it is, it's not really going to do that much damage. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed these tips. Let me know if you're going to follow them during this holiday season. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.